People in Wales are living longer, which is something to be celebrated. But of course it brings challenges. Many older people are living in isolation and are lonely. They need our help. It's hard for some older people to connect, especially in rural areas, and even within our busy towns and cities. Our local partners across Wales offer lots of services, such as befriending, shopping, home cleaning, and home from hospital help. New technology means our society is always changing. We need to ensure older people are included. So what are we doing about it? Well, Age Cymru is busy delivering in all kinds of ways. For more than 60 years, we've been a voice for older people across Wales. We campaign tirelessly to ensure the needs of older people are not ignored, and we ensure older people's voices are heard. We've helped lots of older people claim millions of pounds in entitlements that would have otherwise been unclaimed. Thousands of people in Wales choose us for their insurance, utilities and mobility products. It's important that as we get older, we stay active. Age Cymru runs programs that help older people stay healthy in both mind and body. We work with care homes to improve the quality of life for those living, visiting and working in residential care. We run an arts festival across Wales, celebrating creativity in older age. We rely on voluntary contributions, whether it's fundraising, shops or taking part in an event. Our volunteers give hundreds of thousands of hours of support every year. For everything we do, there's one thing for sure. We couldn't do it without you. So a massive thank you to everyone who supports us. What are you going to do to help us help older people? Call in or phone our national or partner offices across Wales, or visit us online and tell us that you want to make a difference. It's your future we're working for.